I'm going to be honest, I should have known this, but I didn't. I didn't know that people who had had cancer were supposed to be looking for deodorant products that didn't have aluminum in them. So when I found that out, I started looking to find one, and I found this one. So I don't know anything about it. I'm going to try it, see how I like it. I'll let you know what I think. So if it's TMI, I apologize, but that's what I do on my channel. The Dr. Teals is supposed to be clinically tested, proven odor protection, naturally absorbs wetness, it's aluminum-free, magnesium and eucalyptus and essential oils, shea butter, arrowroot powder, paraffin, whatever that is, free. It's not an antiperspirant, so it's not going to keep you from sweating. It's just supposed to keep you from smelling. Here's the details if you want to pause it and read all that, because I'm not going to. Use body heat to soften the product. Hold product to skin for several seconds. Gently apply desired amount to clean underarms. Made in the USA with globally sourced components. Dr. Teals. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, kind of a little sparkly in there. You see the sparklies? So you really want to see me put it on? Alright. It's a little bit hard to guide up. Lots of twists. Lots of twists. It is hard. You have to hold it. It does soften up a lot. I hope this is not too hard to wash off. I hate deodorant that's hard to wash off. And don't do this if you're in a hurry. Oops, I don't think I needed it all the way up there. You guys enjoy the experience of putting this on. Take your time. Last night I had garlic in my soup and I put this on this morning after my shower. Felt a little sticky and clammy after I put it on. And then later in the afternoon, I went to the gym, and I can tell you that this is not working. It smells good out of the tube, and it smells good when you first put it on, as long as you're not very active or don't eat anything that's stinky, then I think it's going to work for you. But if you're active and you are going to eat foods with aromatics in them, this is probably not going to be strong enough for you. So I've used this. I've given it a fair shake and worn it on days when it's hot outside. I've worn it when I'm going to be inside, and I'm just not a fan. It's too hard to get it to come on. It's too hard to like rub it on your skin. It takes a long time to warm up to your body, and it smells really good at first, really fresh, but it's really masculine smelling, and then it just doesn't really work. It really, I think, just works by trying to mask any odor. So, big thumbs down. I'm going to be on the search for something different. Thanks for watching my video review of the Dr. Teals deodorant. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video for free if you have time before you go watch the video on YouTube. Until the next time, let's help each other be better consumers and not stink.